If you would like to achieve this cute ninja bun, keep on watching. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. So I just wanted to get one last style in while my hair is straight. I'm going to be using this regular braiding hair from the beauty supply store. A brush, can't forget my toothbrush for them edges, okay? So this is the braiding hair. I didn't realize how extremely long it was, so I did have to cut a couple inches off camera, and I'm going to be using some beeswax and my brush to get my hair up in a ponytail. And before anyone says it, I'll beat you to it. Yes, there is no foundation on the top of my forehead. I do that specifically because I like to do my baby hairs and I don't want my foundation and hair mixing. So here I have a tool that I found in the beauty supply store that I feel like all naturals should have. It's the cutest like little wraparound scrunchie. My friend Gabby put me onto it, and it just makes it so much easier to put your hair up without that tension. So as you guys can see, I'm very serious, and I was thinking to myself, in 2019, I'm not giving up my baby hairs. Like, I don't care. I love baby hair. I don't know when I'll stop, but as of right now, I didn't. So we're gonna put a scarf on to kind of set the baby hairs in place, and there's a rubber band already on the braiding hair, so I'm just gonna take that and put the hair towards the back so it's sitting behind my ponytail. So I'm gonna take my hair and the braiding hair, and I'm going to twist it, and I'm going to wrap it around to form the bun. So how I'm doing this is I'm just taking it, keeping that other piece in the middle, and I'm wrapping it and kind of taking everything and placing it underneath the previous row. And don't worry about all the little hairs and things sticking out. I'm going to fix those with bobby pins. Once I'm finished wrapping everything around, I'm going to take a bobby pin and stick it in place. So you guys see how focused I am. I don't want to mess this up. So I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to take the other piece and wrap it behind the bun that we already made and twist it. I'm just pulling out some, loose hairs and things. And I'm going to twist it all the way to the back and place a bobby pin. So I'm just taking all the pieces that are sticking out and tucking it inside the bun. And that is it for this style. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I add some little chopsticks I had in the house already. I thought it was super cute. Let me know how you feel about this hairstyle down below in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Bye.